Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Let's clear up any misconceptions about throw caution to the wind. Let me tell you a story about a man who took the idiom literally. He was afraid of heights, but decided to throw caution to the wind and climb a tall building. He thought it meant to be brave and take risks. But it actually means to act recklessly without thinking of the consequences. The idiom "throw caution to the wind" means to act recklessly without considering the consequences. It's often used to describe someone taking a risk without thinking things through. To remember the meaning, think of throwing a piece of paper into the wind. It's unpredictable and can end up anywhere. Just like acting recklessly without considering the consequences. Let me create a story using the idiom to help you understand it better. John decided to throw caution to the wind and quit his job to pursue his dream of becoming a musician. He didn't have a plan, but he took a risk and it paid off. Now he's living his dream and inspiring others to do the same. Here are fun facts about "throw caution to the wind." 1. The idiom originated from the phrase "throw the helve after the hatchet." 2. It's often used in literature and music. 3. It's similar to the phrase "live life on the edge." 4. It's opposite to the phrase "play it safe." 5. It's related to the idiom "take a leap of faith." Let me share some example sentences to illustrate the idiom's usage. 1. She threw caution to the wind and invested all her savings in the stock market. 2. He decided to throw caution to the wind and ask her out on a date. 3. The company threw caution to the wind and launched a new product without market research. 4. They threw caution to the wind and went skydiving without any training. 5. I threw caution to the wind and quit my job to travel the world. Let me introduce a sentence using "throw caution to the wind." Throwing caution to the wind, he decided to invest all his savings in the stock market. Rewritten, he decided to invest all his savings in the stock market without considering the consequences. Rewritten, he took a risk and invested all his savings in the stock market. Let me share a real-life story about "throw caution to the wind." A woman decided to throw caution to the wind and quit her job to start her own business. It was a risky move, but she succeeded and now has a successful company. She's glad she took the risk and followed her dreams. Here are some similar expressions to throw caution to the wind. 1. Live life on the edge. 2. Take a risk. 3. Dare to be different. 4. Follow your dreams. 5. Seize the day. The opposite of "throw caution to the wind" is "play it safe." It means to avoid taking risks and to be careful. Here are some related idioms that you should know. 1. Take a leap of faith. 2. Burn the bridges. 3. Bite the bullet. 4. Break a leg. 5. Cut corners. Let's test your knowledge with some quizzes. 1. What does "throw caution to the wind" mean? A. To be careful and avoid risks. B. To act recklessly without considering the consequences. C. To take a leap of faith. Answer: B. It means to act recklessly without considering the consequences. 2. What's the opposite of "throw caution to the wind"? A. Live life on the edge. B. Play it safe. C. Take a risk. Answer: B. The opposite is "play it safe." 3. What's a similar expression to "throw caution to the wind"? A. Follow your dreams. B. Bite the bullet. C. Cut corners. Answer: a similar expression is follow your dreams. To summarize, throw caution to the wind means to act recklessly without considering the consequences. Remember to use memory aids to help you remember the meaning. Share your stories using the idiom in the comments below.